Welcome. If you've ever deleted an important email by accident on your phone, don't worry. Finding those deleted messages in the bin on the Gmail app is quick and straightforward. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can view and recover your emails right from your mobile device. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the correct Gmail account, the one where the email was deleted. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice a menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Tap on this menu icon to open up a list of all your mailbox folders and settings. Scroll down this list. Keep going past the regular folders such as Inbox, Sent, and Spam until you reach the folder labeled Bin. Depending on your version of the Gmail app, this folder might also be called Trash, but the steps are exactly the same. Tap on Bin to open it. Inside, you'll find all the emails that you've deleted within the last 30 days. Gmail keeps these messages here temporarily before they're removed forever, so if you act quickly, you can still find and recover what you need. Take a moment to browse through the emails inside the bin. If you're looking for a specific message, you can even use the search bar at the top of the app and type keywords related to the email you want to find. Just remember, you must be searching from within the bin folder for this to work. If you'd like to recover any of these deleted emails, simply tap and hold on the message. You'll see a check mark appear next to it. Then, look for the 3-dot icon at the top right and tap it. Choose Move To, and select where you want your email to go, usually the inbox. That's all there is to it. Now, you know exactly how to find and retrieve deleted emails from the bin using the Gmail app on your phone. Don't forget, these steps work the same way on both Android and iPhone devices.